Hello viewers, welcome to WhatsApp Media. Today I am going to present something interesting related to trends in audio technology. The growth of the live music industry and movies pushed audio technology from its very humble beginnings into quite technically advanced systems that were utilized in the event industry. Gone are the days of seeing racks on racks of amplifiers on stage. In the past, an audio engineer required many racks of amplifiers for a show, as each one was capable of only producing so much of power. Audio engineers can now fit the same amount of power into a smaller footprint, as amplifiers have got the lighter and more powerful. This effectively reduces the quantity or size of the electronic devices needed to reproduce an audio signal. As seen in consumer electronics, the technologies have advanced to needing smaller components that are made with lighter materials and have immensely more capabilities compared to analog counterparts. Analog consoles did not have all the onboard processing effects units. The advent of digital consoles brought on the ability to put much more into a single device. The digital audio can now be carried over a network using audio over Ethernet, audio over IP, or other streaming media standards and systems. Several interfaces are engineered to carry digital, video, and audio together, which includes HDMI and DisplayPort. Modern technology now allows everyone to have a computer in their pocket. As we see in smartphones, technology is getting smaller, but the screens are getting bigger. Computer-based acoustic PA modeling allows audio engineers to design their audio system rather than just hang a bunch of speakers. Systems are now strategically designed as opposed to just assemble. While audio technology hardware advancement appears to have plateaued, the growth will be in the software and programming that manipulates the system to make them more flexible and allow a greater control and creativity. While technology never seems to stand still, what we would like to see and will definitely see in the next evolution of audio would be continuing wireless technology improvements and reliability to reduce the amount of cabling and connectivity that is currently required. Lighter, smaller, and more powerful components that reduce the cost associated with the storage, shipping, and setup time for large audio systems. Cost reductions as new technologies are developed so that the advancements can be put into action on the stages, floors, trusses, and towers of the events of tomorrow. As technology becomes more advanced, personalized, and on demand, it diversifies and intensifies the way we listen. After years of visual dominance, audio is now best positioned to span a large number of touch points and adapt to changes in the consumer media consumption in 2021. Predicting the future trends can be a tenuous business. However, you only have to look at the last couple of years to see the extent to which audio is growing. As technology becomes more advanced, the personalized and on-demand, it diversifies and intensifies the way we listen. After years of visual dominance, audio is now best positioned to span a large number of touch points and adapt to changes in the consumer media consumptions in 2021. I would like to highlight a few innovations in the pipeline. Number one, as brands explore how voice can engage audiences at various steps of their buying journey, it will be increasingly critical that they can create differentiated voice experiences to set themselves apart from the competition. 2021 will see a surge in brands creating their own voice profiles to increase memorability across devices and platforms. Number two, UX will get louder. Number three, immersive audio will adopt a 360-degree approach. Conclusively, the audio industry has come a long way since that first microphone was created in 1875 and will certainly continue to think outside the box to drive future innovation of technology. While basic physics rule the law of sound and how it is carried or transmitted, the audio engineers of today and tomorrow will keep on using their creative and the hardware available to meet the demands of an ever-evolving industry. Well, viewers, this was all about trends in audio technology. If you want to explore and make a career in audio technology, then here we are at Turk Maharashtra Vidyapeeth Pune to offer you a 3-year degree program in Sound and Music Technology and Avid Certified BSc in Professional Audio Technology program. Do like and subscribe our channel for more such interesting educational videos. Stay healthy and take care. Thank you.